The company Sustainer Homes recently unveiled a shipping container home that can also be taken completely off the grid. According to the company, the main reason for constructing these homes was offering the younger generation a flexible and rent-free living option, which is becoming a must for many. The homes are also mobile and facilitate low-impact living. Sustainer homes are meant to be primary residences, though they can also easily be used as hotels, holiday accommodations or emergency shelters. They are available in various sizes, ideal for 1 to 2 people. The basic version measures 323 square feet 30 square meters, and can be purchased for about $82,500 75,000 euros. They also have larger, family-sized containers available, while they are also currently developing offices, as well as container homes that can be deployed in various different